Traveling is exciting. The thrill of new destinations, the anticipation of adventures, and the joy of meeting new people. New places, new faces, new adventures. Every journey brings a unique experience that enriches your life. But it can also be tough on your body. Long flights, uncomfortable seats, and irregular sleep patterns can take a toll. Different time zones, long days, and tempting treats can disrupt your healthy routine. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and forget about your well-being. Don't worry. Eating healthy while traveling is easier than you think. With a bit of effort, you can make nutritious choices that keep you feeling great. With a little planning and some smart choices, you can stay energized and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Pack healthy snacks, choose balanced meals, and stay hydrated. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle while traveling is about finding a balance that works for you. Incorporate physical activities like walking or yoga into your routine. It's not about deprivation, it's about making mindful choices that support your well-being throughout your journey. Opt for fresh fruits, read nutrition labels, and enjoy local healthy cuisine. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore the world while nourishing your body with these easy-to-follow tips. Your health doesn't have to take a back seat to your travels. Before you even set foot outside your home, you can take control of your travel eats. It's all about being prepared. Pack your own healthy snacks. Think nuts, seeds, fruit, or granola bars. This way you have a go-to option when hunger strikes and choices are limited. Research restaurants in advance. Many places list their menus online. Scope out healthy options before you go. Book accommodations with a kitchenette. Having a fridge and a few basic cooking supplies gives you the freedom to prepare some of your own meals. Airports, train stations, and rest stops are notorious for unhealthy temptations. But don't despair. You can still find nutritious choices. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables when available. Many places now offer pre-cut options for easy snacking. Choose grilled or baked dishes over fried options. This simple swap can save you calories and unhealthy fats. Look for salads with lean protein like grilled chicken or fish. Just be mindful of heavy dressings and ask for them on the side. Section 4. Hydration and portion control, your travel companions. When you're on the go, it's easy to forget the basics, but staying hydrated and managing your portions can make a world of difference in how you feel. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're constantly on the move, dealing with jet lag, or exploring new climates. Water helps to keep your energy levels up, and can even help you adjust to new time zones more quickly. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. This not only helps the environment by reducing plastic waste, but also ensures you always have water on hand. Most airports and train stations have water fountains, so you can stay hydrated without spending a fortune on bottled water. Look for refill stations and make it a habit to top up your bottle whenever you see one. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially when dining out. It's easy to get carried away with large servings, but keeping portions in check can help you maintain your energy and avoid feeling sluggish. Restaurant portions can be large, so consider sharing a meal or taking half of it to go. This way, you can enjoy a variety of foods without overindulging. Listen to your body and eat when you're hungry, not just because food is available. Snacking on healthy options can keep your metabolism steady and prevent overeating during main meals. It's easy to overindulge when you're constantly surrounded by tempting treats, but tuning into your body's hunger cues can help you stay on track. Remember, it's all about balance and making mindful choices. Section 5. Smart swaps for savvy travelers. Making healthier choices doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Here are some easy swaps to lighten up your meals. Choose whole wheat bread or wraps instead of white bread for sandwiches and wraps. The extra fiber will keep you feeling fuller for longer. Opt for mustard or vinegar-based dressings instead of creamy dressings. You'll cut down on calories and fat without sacrificing flavor. Ask for your food to be prepared without oil or butter. This simple request can make a big difference in the calorie and fat content of your meal. Section 6. Making healthy habits stick, even with a suitcase. Staying healthy while traveling is all about finding a sustainable balance that works for you. It's about making small, mindful choices that add up over time. Remember to be kind to yourself. Allow for some indulgences and focus on making choices that make you feel good. It's okay to enjoy a local delicacy or a special treat. Remember, it's not about being perfect, It's about making conscious choices that support your health and well-being. Every small step counts. So go ahead, explore the world, savor new flavors, and enjoy your travels while nourishing your body from the inside out. Embrace the experience fully. Most importantly, don't beat yourself up if you slip up. Everyone has moments of indulgence, and that's perfectly fine. Traveling is all about enjoying yourself. It's about creating memories and experiencing new cultures. Just get back on track with your next meal or snack. Consistency is key, and every healthy choice you make contributes to your overall well-being.